Welcome everyone to this YouTube channel again. So as we all know that recently Selenium 4 is officially released. We have got the stable version of Selenium 4. So today I'm going to cover the features that Selenium 4 gives us. So I'm going to cover that all in details. So let's get started. So this is official site of Selenium. If you can see here that we are announcing the release of Selenium 4. So it is officially released, and if you can see all the documentation that what exactly they are providing, and you just need to change the dependency from 3.x to 4.0.0. So let me show you this on Maven as well. Selenium Maven dependency. Now it is going to show the stable 4.0.0. So you can use this dependency in your project. So let's see step by step what exactly new features Selenium is providing. So first feature that Selenium 4 is providing is the relative locators. So relative locators is an easy way to locate your element using the reference of another element. Using the terms like below of that element, left of that element, above of that element, right of that element. So this is what Selenium 4 is providing us. So the next feature is W3C standardization for the WebDrivers API. So guys, this is the biggest architectural change in Selenium 4. So let me explain you it if you are not able to get it. So earlier in Selenium, earlier versions, what used to happen is JSON wire protocol was responsible for the communication between real-time browsers and the test code that we have written, which means you need to do encoding and decoding of the API. But now, because it follows W3C standard protocol in Selenium 4, now what will happen is it will not require JSON wire protocol. So what it means is we will not require encoding and decoding of the APIs. It will directly communicate with the browser. So this architectural improvement has made Selenium 4 such a more stable and efficient test automation tool. The next feature is enhanced window and tab management. So what exactly it is, if you want to open a new tab, if you want to open a new window, you can simply open it using driver dot switch to dot new window, in which you have to pass the argument window type dot tab or window type dot window. So this is the simple way you can open a new window and you can do window and tab management in a very efficient and easy way. So as you can see here, this is the easy way that you can switch to new window. Like I have told you, driver dot switch to dot new window, window type dot window if you want to open a window, and if you want to open a tab, then window type dot tab. So this is the simplest way in Selenium 4 to handle tab or windows. So next one is desired capabilities are deprecated in Selenium 4. So guys, if you're not aware about desired capabilities, so desired capabilities are basically used to create a session of a browser if you want to use some desired things, that whenever your browser opened, it should be in this resolution, where the downloaded file should be when you will download it at the runtime. So it is used to create a session, a desired session for a browser. So these desired capabilities are now deprecated, and instead of that, options are introduced. So let me show you this on Selenium's official website. So guys, if you can see here, this is not Selenium's official site, this is browser stack site. So if you can see here that desired capabilities are deprecated, and instead of that, Firefox options, Chrome options, IE options, these all are introduced. So next feature is modifications in Actions API. So Actions API, if we want to perform any action using keyboard and mouse, so then we use Actions API. So there is a bit of modification in this API as well. So let me show you this. So if you can see earlier, we used to use move to element, then used to click on that element. But now this all is replaced with simple method of click. And same goes with click and hold. We used to move to element, then click and hold. Now it is simply with click and hold, and same goes with other methods. So this is what modification is done in Actions API. So the next feature is that enhancement in Selenium grid. So now it is also supporting the Docker as well. So let me show you this on official site of Selenium. So if you can see here, we have also rebuilt Selenium grid and taking lessons from the projects like Selenium and Selenoid. So if I go here, the grid also manages the Docker containers on the local machines. So it means it also supports the Docker and Selenium 4. Now the last two features, but not least, that it provides the Chrome DevTool protocol, and now the documentation is also improved in Selenium 4. So if I talk about the Chrome DevTool protocol, so you can perform different things of a browser with the help of this DevTool protocol. So let me show you this on official website. So now if you can see here is Selenium 4 comes with native support of Chrome DevTool protocol. So what exactly it means is, so now you can fetch the properties like network, profiler, performance, application cache, and more of the Chrome development properties you can fetch using this tool. So this is also, I think, one of the good feature. And other than that, that improved documentation, I already told you that now documentation is a bit of more improved. So these are the major features that we got in Selenium 4. So guys, this is just an introductory part, and I know that you might not be aware with some of the terminologies that I have used, and just get started with any of the feature and just try it, do it and trials, and you will get more aware about it. And I'll try to cover more about it in more detail, and let's see what happens in the next video. So I hope you like the video. So this is just an introductory part, so that you should be aware about what exactly it is coming in Selenium 4. So I hope you like the video. Thank you, and please do share.